everybody, Asong Filipino, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm going to unbox this one. And then, it's already open. So this is a nurse outfit. So then we're going to try on. So I'm gonna show you first. So I guess this is the right one. Okay, then this is the dress. So we're going to wear this one. It looks like from Halloween. Looks like from Halloween outfit. So I'm wearing now nothing. Now I do barefoot today, and then first is we're going to do the stocking. No, be right back. I have to wear the dress first, then I'll be right back, and I have this heels that we're gonna wear for walking today. So we'll see how it looks like. Hi everybody, so now I'm wearing flip-flops with this outfit and I'm gonna walk with this. The next is I'm going to wear shoes. First is this one. So I plan to wear stocking, but then okay, I have to wear stocking. Hi again, I'm back. So this is the outfit. It's a nurse outfit. So I also have a headband here, and I have this stocking. So this is